Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Naomi's Corner. Today's episode is something special because we have a very, very special guest. She is one of our amazing Saladmaster cooking coaches here at Amazing Enterprise, and that's none other than Miss Lelet. Welcome!
Thank you, Miss Naomi. It's a pleasure to be here. It's an honor to be here right next to you, cooking something for Naomi's Corner.
Wow, we're so excited to have you. And Lelet, what are we making today?
We're making barbecue. Okay, Filipinos love barbecue, but we are very familiar with pork. So I thought about maybe we should try other proteins. So we're making beef barbecue, we're making tofu barbecue, salmon, and chicken barbecue.
Wow, sounds really great. And what Saladmaster cooking equipment are we going to use tonight?
We are going to use our famous and most coveted smokeless grill, our indoor smokeless grill.
All right, so tell us, Miss Lelet, what are the ingredients that we're going to use to marinate all this protein?
Okay, so my ingredients are very simple. You know, it's probably something that you have in your pantry already. So we're gonna have, start with Sprite, any kind of lemon lime soda. I have one 16-ounce bottle, soy sauce. I have chopped garlic, and we have brown sugar. We have ketchup and lemon juice. And of course, my favorite ingredient, always freshly grated black pepper. All right, so let's put our marinade together. First, I've got my Sprite, okay. So we'll pour it in our bowl. Then,
should I mix this one?
Yes.
Wow.
Soy sauce, pretty simple ingredients.
Oh, that's a lot of garlic.
Yes, I love garlic.
Yeah,
garlic makes everything taste better.
I know, it smells good too.
Yes, and we've got our brown sugar for a little sweetness.
Okay.
And a little bit of color with our ketchup.
Okay.
And then I'll squeeze some lemon.
This is a different kind of ingredients that you're using to marinate, because usually we only marinate with calamansi or lemon juice and just soy sauce. That's it. But it's good to have, like ketchup, peppers, and garlic.
Yes.
Wow.
And one good thing is these are all readily available in your pantry, I bet you. So last one, freshly ground black pepper. I love black pepper. There you go. Now we're just gonna mix it up. Make sure everything is incorporated. And then we are ready to marinate each of these protein. I suggest just put it in different containers. So I have one more thing to do. Now I have a basting sauce. So I have my banana ketchup. I know Filipinos are very familiar with banana ketchup. Okay, we'll just put it in here. And we have our Sprite. Just mix it together. And then while you're grilling your protein, your barbecue, you can just baste it on the skewers.
Wow, I've never heard of it. Okay, I usually baste it with just soy sauce again and lemon. So this is a cool one. Ketchup and the Sprite.
Yes, all right. So now we're gonna marinate our proteins. Okay, now for your beef, your chicken, and your tofu, marinate it for at least 4 hours to overnight.
Wow.
If you want to, for more flavor. Now the salmon, you want to marinate it just for an hour. Yeah, just 1 hour, because you don't want the salmon to be cooked by the citrus.
Yes.
Okay? The tofu, what I did first is I had to take out a lot of the water. So what I did, I cut it up, and then I pressed it down with some kind of heavy object and paper towels to press out all the water, and then we can marinate our tofu. So that's it. Just pretty simple, very easy to remember, and then we'll start skewering our proteins, and then we're ready to grill.
Okay, Miss Lelet, now that all of our protein has been marinated, so what's next?
All right, so now we are ready to skewer our protein. Yes.
Wow, this is the fun part of it. So
let's start.
Let's start. Okay. What really inspired you to do this different protein grill?
Well, you know, I just thought about Filipinos are all very familiar with pork barbecue. And, you know, you're thinking a little bit more healthy and other protein options.
Yeah.
So I thought about doing beef and chicken. And of course, you want to be inclusive and have other people, you know, taste our barbecue. So people who are pescatarians can enjoy the salmon, and vegetarians or vegans can enjoy the tofu. I'm just going to change my gloves, you know, because I'm handling chicken.
Yeah. So I'm going to start with my salmon, Miss Lelet.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
guys, you can
looks good.
you know, make as many as you can, but this one is a good batch for me.
Yes.
So how about your chicken, Miss
Let me get
Lelet?
my chicken skewer.
All of our barbecue is now ready, so we are ready to start grilling.
Yes, yes. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna lay our protein on the indoor smokeless grill, which has been preheated for about 7-8 minutes, and now it's ready to go. So I have my marinade over here.
And the ketchup and the Sprite.
Yes. So what I do is we just start grilling. Okay. Hear that sizzle? It's hot.
Yes, yes,
So the smokeless grill is very, very handy, especially in this Texas weather. You don't want to go outside and grill, but you still want to grill. The indoor smokeless grill is your friend.
Yes.
So we'll lay everything down, and we got
the tofu.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
And Miss Lelet, when do you start basting it?
So I'm just gonna start basting now. Okay, just so it will infuse the flavor, a little bit of color with the ketchup. Okay.
So how long does it take to actually cook the beef and then the chicken, and you know, how many times do we have to turn?
Okay, so the beef and the chicken, you should take about 7-8 minutes for each side. It's probably gonna take a little longer to cook the, you know, the meats, the beef and the chicken. For the salmon and for the tofu, it should take a little less.
Wow.
Okay? So we're gonna go ahead and just wait a few minutes, you know, about 7-8 minutes, and see how it goes. You know, you can just cook your protein according to your desired doneness. You know, I like my beef a little bit medium rare. But you know, it depends on you. Some people like it well done. Some people like it medium well. So it's up to you. You decide.
Okay, Miss Lelet, our grilling is done. Wow, can you imagine? We've finished this all together. We have the beef, salmon, tofu, and chicken.
Yes, yes, we are done. So everything's done. The chicken took a little longer. You know, you want your chicken to be thoroughly cooked. And then, you know, the salmon is good, the tofu, and your beef. It also really depends on how thin you slice your proteins, and that how, if you want to cook it really fast, then you gotta do thin slices. Okay, but if you want chunks, it'll take a little longer, but it'll be worth it.
Wow, this is really perfect for your 4th of July gathering.
Yes, yes it is. You know, for all those people who love to grill, get your indoor smokeless grill and you will be ready to grill anything you want. You know, you got your skewers ready for everyone in your family, your guests, your friends, your meat lovers, your pescatarians, your vegetarians, your vegans. You are ready to feed them.
Yes, I'm gonna start with my tofu.
Ooh,
enjoy!
yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Naomi's Corner for more delicious recipes using Saladmaster. Stay amazing!